Hey, what was that all about? Damn E-unit is just super happy to switch directions. Warming up, this is like lap 2 or 3 with all the cars. Running around my house. There we go. Nice. We're picking up speed. Eventually, I think what happens is the E-unit builds up enough residual magnetism that it carries over any dead spots. But until you run it long enough to build up that what do they call that? Remnants? Yeah. I think we just built up some remnants because it's like what, 2 or 3 laps now without a hitch. I got it on full throttle right now. I haven't even oiled the cars. They're just straight out of that box. I'll bet you go a little faster if I lube up the cars. I think we'll call this lap a finish, and then I'm going to go take a break. I've been struggling for a couple hours with the E-unit on it. Had a broken wire. Isn't that neat? And park. All right, Kinetic Carl here in my super secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders, the house. And there we are. It's a Marx pre-war, I'm pretty sure, because it's all metal. The only kind of plastics they do have on it are the Bakelite or what do they call that? Circuit board material. It doesn't really have circuit board stuff on it, but the caboose was supposed to be lighting up. I had it lighting up on the bench, you know, the test bench, but for some reason I got to check in on it again. Maybe I think the wheels on the trucks need a good cleaning. So anyhow, Kinetic Carl here, Super Secret Kinetic Lab of Wonders, signing out.